the last year and a bit, I really dove into learning about the breath, reading the books, taking a breathwork facilitator, getting into heart math. And I was really excited about it. And then to be immersed in a group where it became like normal speak on levels I can't really articulate, I kind of felt like I was doing it on my own and, privately, and people didn't really know what you're talking about. And it really highlights, we say we know community is important and we know that and we accept it, but experiencing it has just been really beautiful. Been facing some challenges, and this work, I don't even like the word work because I don't think it's appropriate. I'll find a better word. Maybe someone has one they can share with me. But the practices and learning new ways to build on what I had studied before I got here. And it's helping me, I don't want to say pivot because what I was doing is still part of what I was doing, but I'm just seeing how it all is coming together. And about a year ago, when I was really into the studying of it, they were two different worlds and I didn't know how they would ever do this. And I thought I was going to have to choose. And now I just see this beautiful meddling, and this really helped that process. So for whatever that is worth, I'm just really grateful. So thank you.